सीमाएं मिट जाए, जब धन, भाषा और देश से ऊपर उठकर मानवता बोलने लगे, तभी जन्म लेता है ये शाश्वत विचार, वसुधैव कुटुंबकम।
The world is one family.
Pranam, respected Executive Director Ma'am, Director Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, Coordinator Ma'am, esteemed teachers, dear parents, and my lovely friends.
Pranam to one and all present here.
I, Kavya,
And I, Lakshay.
together we warmly welcome you all to in today's cultural presentation.
When culture finds a voice, it becomes Abhivakti. And today, that voice is Odisha, the soul of incredible India.
जहाँ प्रकाश है वहाँ आशा है, जहाँ आशा है वहाँ जीवन है.
Light symbolizing knowledge, hope, and positivity. To begin this program, we now invite our respected Director Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, and Coordinator Ma'am to kindly come forward for the lamp lighting ceremony, symbolizing knowledge, wisdom, and enlightenment. Everyone close your eyes and join your hands.
ॐ सरस्वती नमो नमः मा सरस्वती नमो नमः ज्ञान की देवी नमो नमः हंसवाहिनी नमो नमः ज्ञान की देवी नमो नमः हंसवाहिनी नमो नमः ओम सरस्वती नमो नमः मां सरस्वती नमो नमः ज्ञान की देवी नमो नमः हंसवाहिनी नमो नमः ओम सरस्वती नमो नमः मां सरस्वती नमो नमः ज्ञान की.
Thank you, sir and ma'am.
May this sacred flame guide us towards harmony, learning, and positive action.
We sincerely thank respected sir and ma'am for gracing this occasion.
Every event begins with a heartfelt welcome. We invite our performers to present the welcome dance, a graceful expression of respect and joy.
मन मचल के मोर होना चाहिए, इस शानदार सी शाम में थोड़ा शोर होना चाहिए.
देव पधारे हैं अतिथि रूप में, बिखर गई है खुशबू फिजा में। गा 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 रे 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 सा 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 नी पा सा। गा 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 रे 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 सा 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 नी पा सा। देव पधारे हैं अतिथि रूप में, बिखर गई है खुशबू फिजा में। हम सब मिलके करते हैं स्वागतम स्वागतम, हम सब मिलके करते हैं स्वागतम स्वागतम। स्वागतम शुभ स्वागतम, स्वागतम शुभ स्वागतम, स्वागतम शुभ स्वागतम, स्वागतम शुभ स्वागतम, स्वागतम स्वागतम शुभ स्वागतम, स्वागतम स्वागतम शुभ स्वागतम। मुस्कुराए हवा सुहाने मौसम में, खिल रहा है ये चमन आपके स्वागत में। मुस्कुराए हवा सुहाने मौसम में, खिल रहा है ये चमन आपके स्वागत में। स्वागतम शुभ स्वागतम, 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 शुभ
Thanks for this beautiful performance. Give them a big round of applause.
Odisha is a land of rich culture, deep-rooted values, and timeless traditions. It is not only about rich culture and tradition, but also renowned personalities like Dilip Tirke, former Indian hockey captain, Kalpana Das, first Odia woman to scale Mount Everest, Kalinti Charan Panigrahi, famous poet and writer, Sudarshan Patnaik, the sand artist.
Today, through this performance, we will take you on a journey of devotion, history, art, and unity.
We now begin our cultural presentation titled Odisha, the soul of incredible India.
See all of Odisha, the journey begins.
Before the first page of history turned, there was a land bathed in faith and sunlight, where every stone could sing and every rhythm could pray. This is Odisha, the soul of incredible India.
Pranam students, sit down. And how are you all?
We are fine, ma'am. What about you?
I am also fine, students. You know, tomorrow is our cultural day and each group will represent one Indian state.
Ma'am, our group called Odisha, but honestly, I do not know much about it.
Then you are in for a wonderful discovery. Odisha is a treasure of temple, art, dance and emotion. Let this be more than assignment. Make it a journey to feel the spirit of Odisha.
Wow, that sounds exciting. Let's begin right away.
And so began their journey from the classroom to the heart of an ancient land, Odisha, where history breathes and every beat dances with life.
Let's now take a moment to know more about Odisha.
Pranam, I am Bhubaneswar, the capital of Odisha. I am in the eastern part of India, near the Bay of Bengal. I am Jagannath Temple, the famous temple of Odisha. Many people visit me in every year. I am Odissi and Chao, the famous folk dances of Odisha, colorful and graceful. I am Rath Yatra, the famous festival of Odisha. People celebrate it with joy.
Odia, the main language of Odisha. People speak me every day. I am the famous beach of Odisha. I make state green and beautiful. I am Bhagada I am Bhagada Dalma, the famous food of Odisha. People live to eat me.
Pradam, I am Chinapuda, the famous sweet of Odisha. I am very delicious.
Odisha is the land where history lives in every stone and devotion flows in every heart.
Earlier known as Kalinga, this land has witnessed bravery, sacrifice, and the powerful message of peace.
Let us now look back into its glorious past.
Scene 2. Golden Fast of Kalinga. Let's welcome this powerful and graceful performance.
বাঁধিবি তো পাই পাদে কুঙ্গুর পাদে কুঙ্গুর বাঁধিবি তো পাই পাদে কুঙ্গুর পাদে কুঙ্গুর কড়া ঠাকুর মোকড়া ঠাকুর কড়া ঠাকুর মোকড়া ঠাকুর বাঁধিবি তো পাই পাদে কুঙ্গুর পাদে কুঙ্গুর বাঁধিবি তো পাই পাদে কুঙ্গুর পাদে কুঙ্গুর ବେଶ ବଡ଼ ସିଂହାର କଳା ଠାକୁର ମନର ବେଶ ବଡ଼ ସିଂହାର କଳା ଠାକୁର ମୋ କଳା ଠାକୁର କଳା ଠାକୁର तू ही तो सरी चुपारा रसी का पानी तो करे मते के नाही रसी का जाने तू ही तो सरी चुपारा रसी का पानी तो करे मते के नाही रसी का जाने प्रेमा आसारे बांधिने मते नीति चुमिबी तो रंगाधर कळा ठाकुर नीति चुमिबी तो रंगाधर कळा ठाकुर ମୋ କଳା ଠାକୁର କଳା ଠାକୁର ମୋ କଳା ଠାକୁର ବାନ୍ଧିବି ତୋ ପାଇଁ ପାଦେ କୁଙ୍ଗୁର ବାନ୍ଧିବି ତୋ ପାଇଁ ପାଦେ କୁଙ୍ଗୁର ବାନ୍ଧିବି ତୋ ପାଇଁ ପାଦେ କୁଙ୍ଗୁର
That was truly captivating.
Our heartfelt appreciation and sincere thanks to the performers. Please give them a big round of applause. Scene 4. The Industrial Development.
Odisha is not just about temples, it is also an industrial powerhouse. It is a part of Make in India, making steels, aluminium, and solar power of the nation. From Rourkela steel plant to the Paradip port, Odisha building India's future.
Scene 5. Dance and music of Odisha.
Dance is not just movement, it is an emotion and melody rhythm.
Odissi flows like the sea, graceful, divine, eternal. From temple dance to Sambalpuri folk and Gothipua, every step celebrate life. In every rhythm, Odisha dance with joy. Odisha's culture is deeply rooted in devotion to Shakti.
Trahi Durga is a soulful prayer seeking courage, strength, and protection from Ma Durga.
Please welcome the performers for this divine presentation.
शक्ति समन्विते भवेभ्यस्त्राहिनो देवी दुर्गे देवी नमोस्तुते दुर्गे देवी नमोस्तुते दुर्गे देवी नमोस्तुते जय दुर्गे माँ दुर्गे 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 जय दुर्गे जय दुर्गे जय दुर्गे
We gratefully acknowledge and appreciate the performers. Let's appreciate them with a warm applause.
Scene 6 Art and Handicrafts.
So beautiful painting.
Wow!
Welcome. We paint stories on clothes, Patachitra made with love and natural color.
And this is Pipli applique used to decorate Lord Jagannath's chariot.
So beautiful. So detailed.
Wow! Amazing!
From brush to thread, every creation in Odisha cries devotion. Its still is a living art, galleries of faith and skill.
Scene 7 Lifestyle and Food.
Come, join us for lunch, Palma Pakhala and sweet Chena Poda.
And don't forget Rasgulla, first make for Lord Jagannath.
Simple food, big hearts. That's Odisha. Every meal is a blessing. Every flavor is a story of love.
Scene 8 Tribal Life and Forest Culture.
We live with the forest, it feeds us, heals us and dances with us.
Odisha, still live in its stride. Chandrakona and Bonda, their songs live with the wind, keeping alive the heartbeat of nature.
Scene 9 Rath Yatra and Devotion.
Behold the grand Yatratha of Puri when Lord Jagannath, Balbhadra and Subhadra come out to bless the world.
Here, devotion unite all, rich or poor, young or old. Together they pull the chariot of fair, head tied with love. Jai Jagannath!
Scene 10 Modern Odisha and Conclusion.
Today, Odisha is not just a temples and art, it's education, technology, and growth.
From Konarvin to modern industry, Odisha move forward with pride.
And what have you learned today?
That progress culture can live together.
And that love and devotion never fade.
From ancient Kalinga to modern Odisha, time has changed, but pride remains. Odisha teaches that move forward, we must carry our roots with pride. Odisha, the soul of incredible India.
Every land has a song that carries its soul.
Vande Utkal Janani is the pride of Odisha, a tribute to its land, people, and culture.
Please enjoy this heartfelt presentation.
That was beautiful session.
कदम कदम पर साथ मिला, हौसलों को नया आसमान मिला, जिनके बिना अधूरी थी यह कहानी, उन सभी का दिल से धन्यवाद मिला. Our sincere gratitude and warm applause for performers.
A great institution grows under the guardians of leaders who believe in values as much as vision. We now request our respected Director Principal Sir to address the gathering and share his valuable words.
Thanks, Kavya and Lakshay. Revered Chairman Sir of the school, respected Executive Director Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, Coordinator Ma'am, worthy parents, and lovely students. Indeed, it had been a marvelous journey while traveling through Odisha. Isn't it? Very firstly, Namaskaram. This is how people generally greet in Odia language. They call it Namaskaram. And naturally, when we were witnessing this Odisha, it was evident that as if we are also traveling, we are also experiencing the same culture of Odisha. India is well known for unity in diversity. Diversity is also there, but in spite of all the diversities, we all are united, and that is quite evident. Children from Gurgaon in a school, they are presenting and they are witnessing the culture of Odisha. And this is something which is the significant contribution of programs like Abhivyakti. And every state, every culture has its own flavor, especially when we talk about Odia culture. And the real objective behind organizing Abhivyakti and especially focusing on such states is to just to know about their culture. I was witnessing how students were performing the cultural and folk dance of Odia. Even they got to know about so many places, whether it's pertaining to the spiritual significance or it's pertaining to the industrial significance as well. इस्पात नगर आया था ना इस्पात नगर राउरकेला स्टील नगरी it's famous as इस्पात नगर. Then you looked at the dance we all witnessed. And Odisha, when we talk about, it's full of flavors. It's full of flavors of color, even of different amalgamation of different way of life. And that is being evident in the Chittapatra also. Patachitra. Because Patachitra is depicting all the things with the colorful manner. Then Pipli work is also there, patchwork. In the patchwork, what do? They create patches of birds, animals, even flowers, and that is how they put it on the fabric. You must have seen Pipli work. So, Odisha, when we are talking about, it's a different state altogether. And it has a historical significance as well. We know very well the transformation of King Ashoka. Ashoka the Great. Why do we call it Ashoka the Great? Because it was during his time in the ancient period that India was all united and it was all under one rule. Chandragupta Maurya had the vision to have the complete control over the whole Indian subcontinent, but somehow could not do. It's only Ashoka. And his last battle was War of Kalinga. And in the War of Kalinga itself, we got to know that war is not the way to reach to the self-actualized level. वहां उसको अनुभूति हुई नहीं वाकई में कितना नरसंहार हुआ कितना सब कुछ हुआ कैसे शांति के माध्यम से ही हम पूरे देश को जोड़ सकते हैं और इतना उसके अंदर परिवर्तन आया इतना हृदय में उसके करुणा आई कि उसको लगा सब कुछ मेरे लिए व्यर्थ है सिर्फ भगवान बुद्ध की जो टीचिंग्स हैं दैट इज समथिंग व्हिच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड ही रिनाउंस हिमसेल्फ एंड ही गॉट द ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन और इतना हुआ कि उसने अपने बेटा he sent his son and daughter even for spreading the message of Buddhism to Sri Lanka as well. So Odia, when we are talking about Odisha, when we are talking about, we also call it Utkal, Kalinga, Utkal. Then his other name is also Odaka, Orladesh. These are all various old names of Odisha. और बोलने में बड़ी मीठी भाषा है और हर भाषा की अपनी मिठास है जैसे हम बोले 10 रुपया होता है तो उसको कहते हैं 10 टंका पड़िब 10 टंका पड़िब नमस्कार देने के लिए आता है दियोंतु दियोंतु इसी तरह लेने के लिए क्या आता है नियोंतु दियोंतु नियोंतु so the real objective behind conducting such Abhivyakti, especially on states like Odisha, is just to give the exposure to the students. And students got enough exposure. And through this way, they got the real experiential exercise of knowing about the state. Otherwise, it will be just localized to the book. They'll just read it, remember it, write it in their assessment and forget it. But such kind of impressions will always remain in their mind. Now, students also witnessed so many cultural aspects, wherein they looked at the dances, Gumra, Chao, Karma dance. These are all various dances which are pertaining to Odisha. Now, in between, the Sambalpur also came in. Sambalpur is known for silk as well, Sambalpur silk. Even Barhampur is also there, Barhampur silk. So Odisha silk, when we are talking about, it's known for these two from these two places, Sambalpur and Behram. Now, as far as Odisha is concerned, we also looked at the Pat Chitra. We also looked at the uh, patchwork of this place, which is very famous, and this is known as Pipli. That's why we call it as Pipli art. तो बच्चों, जब जो समय आपको लगे कभी भी उड़ीसा जाने का हो, जरूर जाके देखिए। और अगर उड़ीसा नहीं भी जा सकते, मैं आपको बताऊं, हर साल फरीदाबाद में एक मेला लगता है। Is anybody aware about that fair? Yes, Suraj Kund fair. In Suraj Kund, all states get representation. And whenever such fairs are being held, make it a point to go. And I request all the parents, engage students on these kinds of exposures. That's more important. Because as and when the students get to know about these states, they will start loving and they'll start having different kind of exposure. And that exposure is very important. So merely knowing the state is not just enough. The student should get the chance to dwell into details of these states. That's more important. Now at this junction, I would like to convey my heartfelt thanks to the teachers in charge, Mrs. Anju Makkar and Miss Akanksha. And there had been the contribution of music teacher, Miss Munmun as well. A great and praiseworthy effort by these teachers along with the students. And in fact, all students, they prepared very hard and they tried their best in a natural manner to represent the culture of Odisha. And once again, my sincere appreciation to Mrs. Ritu Kataria as well for guiding the teachers as well as students as a junior school coordinator. And once again, from the core of my heart, I would like to thank all the parents who have specially come and spared time for witnessing the talent of their students. Thank you. Pranam.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring and encouraging words.
Support is a silent strength behind every achievement. We now invite our respected coordinator ma'am to share her thoughts with us.
Pranam to all. Thank you all the parents for attending this event, and thank you sir for your guidance, for your motivational words. Parents, your presence, your sports, your encouragement means a lot for all the students because your presence encourages them to do their best. They perform better when they see their parents are watching them. Thank you for taking out time from your busy schedule to attend this event. And I sincerely thank the class teacher of class 4 who worked so hard, commitment, so that this event the students perform so well. It's the hard work of the students, their enthusiasm, their cooperation, their dedication that make this event a perfect and so graceful. Thank you one and all present here for attending this event and making it a success. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Thank you, ma'am, for your constant guidance and support. Before we move towards the conclusion, we sincerely thank our wonderful audience for your patience, encouragement, and warm applause.